Hey, this is Barrett, Engineering Manager for CorkSport Mazda Performance. Today I'm proud to announce the skid plate for the 2017 and newer facelift Mazda CX-5. Over the last several years, CorkSport has designed and developed aluminum skid plates for various Mazda models, and we've seen them stand up to the test of time of road abuse and on the racetrack. With that, we wanted to bring this design, this protection, to a new platform, one that can utilize it beyond the street, perhaps for the adventure-oriented customer. So what is a skid plate and what's the purpose of it? Well, every new Mazda vehicle comes with a full skid plate from the front of the bumper all the way to the back of the subframe. This provides a smooth, aerodynamic underbody for the vehicle to improve fuel efficiency, but also provides a protection to the engine and drivetrain in that area. Now, the OE uses a plastic design, which is lightweight, it's very cost-effective to produce, but if you were to actually impact something with that, it's gonna get ripped off. So at CorkSport, we designed an 11-gauge aluminum skid plate. Our multi-piece design is very easy to install. It allows you the adjustment you need to get it up into your engine bay. Installs like OE, and the 11-gauge thickness is really going to stand up to hard impacts, whether it's a curb, a rock, a branch, whatever it may be. We've proven this on the street and we've proven this on the racetrack. So what defines the CorkSport aluminum skid plate? Well, first of all, it's aluminum. It's much stronger than plastic. Second, it's 11 gauge, so that's 90 thousandths thickness. Much thicker and much stronger than the OE design. Along with that is all the hardware you need to get it installed, which is also stainless steel hardware, so it's not going to rust or corrode over time. Finally, it fits like OE, and included is color step-by-step install instructions, so you can get it on your vehicle in your garage. If you got any questions, you can call our knowledgeable CorkSport team or DM us at corksport.com or our social media accounts. So whether you're looking to go off-road for a new adventure, maybe it's a daily driver, or you slammed it on some CorkSport lowering springs and some nice wheels, the skid plate is going to benefit you. So stay tuned, stay in the know, check the blog. This is Barrett, tuning out.